Okay, what I got here is the makings of my second oven. So I'm using a product called Thermopan. The reflective heat shield, or foil cardboard, both sides, front and back. It's not flame resistant or fire resistant, but they do make a product that is. I just bought these. Getting it all filed in now. I've got my little $3.50 thermometer. I'm using a roll of file tape and filing over the cardboard that exposed. Got my pieces here. I'm going to use this as a chimney. 4-inch hole opening in the roof, which will I can use it to make I can either put tin foil over it and make it like a 2-inch hole, but the last one didn't have a chimney, and so I'm experimenting. I've got my little pieces here which will hold my sides together, because this Thermopan comes in sheets of 2 foot by 4 foot. And I've cut all my pre-cut sizes to my 6 walls I need. One's a door, and stuff I've recycled from my last old pipe pan. Now I got the bolts into it. They're 2-inch bolts, so I got them used as legs. Plus I can screw them up or down and increase the height or lower the height of the heat from my food. So it's going to be the dimensions of this one. The walls are 16 by 16, and the floor and roof and 2 sides are 16 by 20. I got a regular rack. I don't know where it came from, but I guess out of an old oven or something I bought for $1.99 at Value Village. But usually Value Village you can come up with some good crap. Then what I'm going to do inside the Thermopan, I'm going to use this stuff as my oven, but I'm going to use this heavy duty tin foil always. On the inside I'm going to use a glue stick and just glue stick some tin foil on, so that the tin foil is thrown away as garbage. So once it gets black, I can rip the tin foil off and reuse the Thermopan cardboard and just put new tin foil around it, top, bottom, and then I don't have to ruin my cardboard. Not like my old one. I left the door open once I finished cooking, and then with about 40 coals in there, it went up over probably 600 degrees, and then it just burnt the whole bottom out of it. Then what I got here is a piece of Thermopan, but what I did, I took a duct. I bought some ductwork, which was it says here it's 16 by 36 joist lining. So I bought that at Home Depot also, and then I cut it out and put it over and duct and file taped it right to the Thermopan. So this is going to be my floor, or the base, which then I can lay the pan on, so it won't get really too hot, so that I can still lay coals and it won't burn through. I got a raise then off the floor with the 2x4s. So hopefully this will be my signing out, and then I'll take another video when I get halfway through, or maybe when I'm all complete, and then you'll see the complete and finished oven. Hopefully when I'm cooking something, maybe a grouse or a rabbit or cat, dog, bring over the Vietnamese, Filipinos. If not, sheep, lamb, cake, hash brownies, weed pies, who knows, everything. Okay.